Folks, if you cherish the sight of a dandy game of hockey, then you've steered yourself in the right direction. Jim and I are so excited about this one, we can't even speak.
Yes, we can.
Okay, we can, but we're still quite excited.
Lindros shoots the puck. Joseph, close the door.
Attention shoppers, the net is now closed.
Shoots the puck. Lemieux scores. And after that quick one, I can definitely feel the walls vibrating.
This game is about to burst wide open.
Nieuwendyk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Number 31,
Shatan takes possession of the puck. Nieuwendyk. Adams now with it. Nieuwendyk with a wrist shot, turned away. Malakoff with the puck. Nedved on a break, he scores!
Up, and away. It made the shooter's day.
As quickly as they had the early lead, they find themselves in a tie.
It would be a big mistake to underestimate the other team.
How big?
We're talking bigger than the time I dared my last boss to fire me.
Nedved, he's with the puck. Karpatsev gets it. Kasparaitis shoots quickly. Lidstrom. Lemieux now has it. Shoved. Shoots the puck. Lidstrom. Rips a shot. Richter stones him cold.
And that save was all about the goaltender's confidence.
Chelios knocks him off the puck.
That hit was the rare breed. Hitus Maximus.
Yager mowed down. Lindros controls the puck. Joseph, great save. He fired it. Robitaille jumps on the loose puck. Yager takes it. Lindros takes possession. Ferguson pushes him. Brochik shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph. Brochik takes control of the puck. Misses. Holik with the puck. Lindros, wrist shot. He scores off the post and in.
For those of you who like to feast on quality hockey, this guy just served up a smorgasbord. I can't wait for dessert. And the wrist shot is only one of the many tools a sniper could utilize from there.
Time for a change of strategy.
Perhaps one that starts with an S and ends with a core. They'll figure it out, I'm sure.
Richter hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Caberlet shot the puck. Kasparaitis gets the pass from Richter. Commodore scoops up the loose puck. Shatan, backhand shot. Stick save by Richter.
He moves faster than a cheetah with a can tied to its tail.
Richter freezes the puck.
Combined with the delicacies of German Wiener Schnitzel.
Lemieux won the face-off. Chelios shoots the puck. Look at them fighting like a couple of bear cubs.
Let's hope it doesn't get grisly.
Boy, just did with that comment. We've got a definite winner here.
And he wins the decision with some heavy collision.
Detroit penalty to number
Ferguson cranks one. Delayed penalty coming up.
Major for fighting.
Lyashenko will get the gate for cross-checking.
Let me try and read his mind. I need to find a new color guy. Weird. That couldn't have been him. I wonder whose mind I was reading.
New York gets hit with the penalty.
And Jim, that's gotta hurt their chances in this one.
Lyashenko is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. Holik has the puck. New York needs to be making a line change soon. Robitaille. Yzerman grabs the puck.
Last minute of play.
New York puts its third line out. The door is shut by Richter.
Goalie 1, shooter 0.
Lyashenko fires!
The first period is over. Done. Cooked. Finished. Finito. Concluded.
Okay, we get it. The game is delayed while the glass is replaced.
Welcome back to the festivities. I'm Don Taylor.
And I'm Jim Hewson. Let's get ready to check out the action because the ref is about to drop the puck. Yager! Ekman takes control of the puck. Chelios shoulders Johansson. Chelios gets hold of the puck. Lidstrom! Lemieux with the puck. Shoots it! Door slammed shut by Richter. Yager shoots the puck. Chelios picks it up. Chelios fires it. Richter makes the save, and he covers up. Murray. Murray gets muscled off the puck. Solani. Shoots!
He missed the net by what, 40, 50 feet?
Murray. It's one-on-one. Brewer knocks the puck loose.
Looks like he's worked up an appetite for destruction.
Solani fires hard. New York grabs it. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. It's one-on-one. Lindros put the puck between his skates
And skates away.
Joseph denies him. Lemieux will serve time for slashing.
He just needed a little alone time, Jim. And he'll get it in the box.
New York now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Carpet sand grabs the puck. Nedved. Ferguson runs over Polik. Nedved takes possession of the puck. Taken out. Brewer scoops up the loose puck. Yzerman corrals it. Lemieux shoots! Richter hangs on for the whistle.
Photography is not only prohibited, but completely futile in a stadium this size.
Lindros shoots the puck. New York now with it. Polik grabs it.
You know, if that shot had been anywhere near the net, it might have been a good scoring opportunity. Tough break.
Lindros jumps on the loose puck. Shanahan. New York gets a hold of it. Yolonen. Breakaway. Fires it. Solani takes possession of the puck. Ferguson gets nailed.
His margin of error had a margin of error on that shot.
Yolonen denied by Joseph.
He came, he saw, he saved.
Ferguson. Brewer shot the puck. Blocked. Stoned by Richter. Richter hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Nedved with the puck. Cranked hard from the corner. Carpet sand gobbles it up. Barnaby dipsy doodles by his man.
I'm impressed.
Barnaby takes control of the puck.
Last minute of play.
He knocked him into the middle of next week.
Boring!
Commodore shoots the puck. Richter denies him.
You know, Jim, if I had my way, I'd give out free Zamboni rides between periods. It's been fun to watch, Jim.
Yes, it's been hockey at its finest.
Hockey? I'm talking about that 10-foot-long piece of toilet paper stuck to the bottom of your shoe. Hey, buddy, where's the parade?
Man alive. Leach steals the pass. It's one-on-one. Joseph slams the door shut. Ferguson gets rocked. He takes possession of the puck. Yzerman took it. Robitaille has it now. Lyashenko. Leach. The Rangers dump it in. He scooped it up. Leach shoots. Ferguson gets bowled over.
Don't worry, Jim. He'll be eating solid food again in no time.
Shanahan. Yzerman gets rubbed off the puck. Leach. Leach. Polik grabbed it. Broshik grabbed it. Joseph made the save. Polik jumps on the loose puck. Shot it.
If he was trying to miss the net, then that was a great shot.
Broshik with the puck. Fires it from the right. Blocked. Nedved takes control of the puck. Kasparaitis grabbed it. Detroit scooped it up. Yager. Lemieux fires. Kasparaitis picked it up. Barnaby took it. Murray grabbed it. New York takes control. Barnaby. It's one-on-one. Lemieux scoops up the loose puck. Yager. Detroit has it now. Murray gets laid out.
He didn't want that hit badly enough, Jim.
Yager took the puck. Robitaille gets it. In all alone. Shoots it hard. He scores. Beauty.
He was hoping the goalie was in the basement, so he sent it upstairs.
Detroit wants to make a game of this one.
Well, they're too late. Good folks at EA Sports beat them to it.
Don, that's just an excuse.
No, Jim, it's in the game. Trust me, it's in the game.
Smolinski, Richter closes the door. Holik with the puck. Johansson has it. He gets laid out. Caberlet grabs the puck. White now with it. White shoots it. Richter made the save. Richter freezes the puck. The face-off goes to Detroit. Brewer cranks it. Richter turned the shot away. Johansson, saved by Joseph. Ekman takes control of the puck. Solani gets hit. Brewer jumps on the loose puck. A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw. Lock draw, Jim, you know. Jeez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
Nedved with the puck. Shoots it! Richter stoned him!
No reason not to, I suppose.
Ekman. Malahoff. Armstrong shoots the puck. He whacks Adams. Shatan. Shatan fires it. Richter hangs on for the whistle.
Is there anything as exciting as a face-off?
Well, let's see. There's shots, hits, saves, breakaways, penalty shots, obviously. Scraps, odd man rushes.
Okay, but other than that, is there anything as exciting as a face-off?
And then there's overtime and great passing plays.
I'm sorry I asked.
I thought you would be. Scott!
Neither team has earned the jubilation at the end of regulation.
Features complete roster listings for both teams, player bios, and informative stories.
Jim, last period I broke a personal record and drank 53 coffees. Add that to your stats. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Please, somebody, help me!
Yeah!
Yolonen dances around Chelios. Johansson takes control of the puck. Mowed down.
Maybe if he was made out of Nerf rubber, getting hit out there would have been fun.
White. It's one-on-one. Shoots the puck. Saved by Richter.
See what comes from reading the play, Jim? He was one step ahead of the shooter.
Backhand. Joseph stoned him cold.
If at first you don't succeed, don't bother trying again when this guy's in the net.
Closing in on the end of overtime, and no heroic game winner yet.
Those darn heroes. Where are they when you need one?
Leach gives up the puck. New York grabbed it. Lindros shoots it quickly. Yager gets in the way. Shoots the puck. Yager. Hard shot blocked. Iserman jumps on the loose puck. Richter denied him. Lindros. Lemieux knocks him off the puck.
Nails him like a sledgehammer on skates.
Offside, Detroit. Yager wins the draw. Shanahan ripped it. Karpatsev stops the shot. Richter hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Richter stones him cold.
When it comes to the net, he's got more moves than an electric trout.
Nedved blasts one. He takes control of the puck. Two evenly matched squads have met tonight, and neither side gave an inch.
So the other side couldn't take a mile?
Something like that.
And now for the three-star selection. Tonight's third star for New York Rangers, number 88,